Okay, so this is me making the 1/3 of my vase. I'm centering it, opening the dome right now. Then I'm coming out. I'm putting a lot of pressure on the bottom to get the V angle that I want.
What the heck?
And then this is me trying to do the foot, and I do it horribly. So Mr. Smith has to like intervene and help.
That's good stuff too. What are you doing all that craziness for? Look at that. Look at that. Oh!
We got about 1.5 pounds. I'm gonna speed this up.
I'm to my sketch.
Shut up. So now
Right. He's been very disrespectful. So. Just kidding. I would have liked you.
okay, so here I was starting my 2/3 of my vase. It took me like 10 tries, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so right here was kind of just trial and error, as you can see. I was just trying again and again to make a replica of the 1/3 of my vase, which is just a bowl with a sharp V angle that I was gonna layer on top of each other. Right here, I'm just trying to get the angle right.
Oh yeah, you're getting beat.
Slather on the, put the icing on the cake. Now you see, you're feeling better.
Yeah, I'm
You
feeling very
repeat,
better.
because it's low. Look at cake, grasshopper. Now you eat chocolate cake, raspberry frosting,
Look
all
very
the good. Always problem solving. Always. Because guess what? Life is full of problems, people.
So as you can see, this was my plan to just make 2 replicas, then put them on top of each other. The bowl on top doesn't have a bottom because I was planning on adding a neck. So right here I was doing exactly what Mr. Smith was doing, just adding slip with a metal rib, trying to smooth it out. Then I started to add coils to the base to make the neck long and skinny. Okay, as you can see, I added more coils and I went for a longer neck, but then I just took it all down because I didn't like it. I didn't like the angle. I didn't like how it looked like a UFO and something else. So I wanted to go for more of a narrow neck and a wider base, which is why I'm happy that I ended up with this. I just added 2 handles and yeah.
You got that.
Because I wanted to make something that I'm happy with, and every time I look at it, I don't want to throw it out the window or something. So yeah.